the tricolor flag of Belgium, with its vertical bands of black, yellow, and red, is a potent symbol of the nation's history, its struggle for independence, and its enduring identity. More than just a piece of cloth, the Belgian flag tells a story of revolution, regional pride, and the forging of a unified state from a collection of distinct territories. This paper will provide a detailed analysis of the origin of the national flag of Belgium and the profound meaning behind its iconic colors. The story of the Belgian flag is intrinsically linked to the nation's turbulent path to sovereignty. The colors themselves have deep roots in the heraldry of the historic Duchy of Brabant, a powerful and influential principality that encompassed much of modern-day Belgium. The coat of arms of Brabant featured a golden lion rampant on a black field, with red claws and tongue. These three colors, black, yellow, and red, would become the rallying cry for Belgian patriots. The first significant appearance of this tricolor combination in a revolutionary context was during the Brabant Revolution of 1789 to 1790. In this uprising against the Austrian Habsburg rulers, cockades and flags bearing horizontal stripes of red, yellow, and black were adopted by the insurgents. While this initial bid for independence was short-lived, the colors became firmly associated with the desire for Belgian self-determination. The definitive moment for the Belgian flag came during the Belgian Revolution of 1830, which led to the country's successful separation from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands. In the early days of the uprising, the French tricolor was briefly flown in Brussels, a symbol of revolutionary fervor but not of Belgian identity. Recognizing the need for a distinctly national emblem, a group of patriots, including journalist Edward Ducpétiaux, hastily created a new flag. This banner, initially with horizontal stripes of red, yellow, and black, was hoisted above Brussels City Hall, replacing the French flag and galvanizing the revolutionaries. The initial horizontal design of the revolutionary flag was soon altered. On January 23, 1831, the Provisional Government of Belgium officially adopted the tricolor, but with a significant change: the stripes were to be arranged vertically. This modification was likely influenced by the vertical design of the French tricolor, a powerful symbol of liberty and revolution throughout Europe. The vertical orientation was seen as a more modern and revolutionary design, distancing the new nation from the horizontal stripes common on the flags of monarchies. A further refinement occurred on October 12, 1831, when a government decree stipulated the final order of the colors: black at the hoist, followed by yellow, and then red. This arrangement has remained the official design of the Belgian national flag to this day. An interesting historical footnote is that the Belgian Constitution of 1831 officially describes the national colors as red, yellow, and black, which reflects the order of the original horizontal flag. However, the vertical design with black at the hoist is the legally and internationally recognized standard. The black, yellow, and red of the Belgian flag are not merely an aesthetic choice. Each color is imbued with historical and symbolic significance, primarily drawing from the heraldic traditions of the Belgian provinces. Black. The black stripe is a direct representation of the black field of the coat of arms of the Duchy of Brabant. It can also be seen as symbolizing the Black Lion of Flanders and Namur, two other significant historical territories. In a more revolutionary context, black has been interpreted as representing the sacrifices made by the Belgian people in their fight for freedom and the solemnity of their commitment to nationhood. Yellow. The yellow stripe represents the golden lion of the Duchy of Brabant. This color is also associated with the yellow lion of Brabant, a symbol of strength and courage. Economically, yellow can be seen as representing the wealth and prosperity of the nation, a testament to its industrious people and its historical importance as a center of trade and commerce. Red. The red stripe symbolizes the red claws and tongue of the Brabant lion. It also represents the red lions of Hainaut, Limburg, and Luxembourg, further unifying the various regions under a single banner. Universally, red is a color of valor, bravery, and the blood shed by those who fought for the nation's independence. It is a powerful reminder of the human cost of liberty. The national flag of Belgium is a powerful and evocative emblem that encapsulates the nation's journey to independence. From its origins in the heraldry of the Duchy of Brabant to its adoption during the crucible of revolution, the black, yellow, and red tricolor has become an enduring symbol of Belgian identity. The vertical stripes speak to a modern, revolutionary spirit, while the colors themselves are a proud testament to the historical provinces that came together to form the Kingdom of Belgium. More than just a national emblem, the Belgian flag is a constant reminder of the nation's motto, L'union fait la force, unity makes strength.